located right across the runway. Also, you can find us at Eastport, Idaho, Eureka, Montana, and the Reno-Tahoe International Airport. Northwest Duty Free Store is a proud sponsor of Painfield Aviation Day.
The Reptile Man has several exhibits also in the large hangar on the east side. Isaac Peterson will be offering a petting zoo with several reptiles. And he'll also have his live performance coming up in about 5 minutes or so. Come learn about the life and habits of snakes, turtles, etc. As the 747 comes in and just brings the nose up just above the runway and multiple chirps. Right there, got her on the ground, and looks like in the colors of Lufthansa.